It's a common sight to see cyclists riding in Gaul Road. But today morning, I came across a rather different cyclist. On his back, above his backup, he had a map of Sri Lanka displayed. Upon my curiosity, I stopped to talk with him. Hi, Vishak. Good morning.
Raman, good morning.
Where did you come from?
So I belong to Kannur. This is a place in Kerala, as beautiful as it is Sri Lanka. So I came here in the month of February of 2020. Before that, I was working with the Marriott Hotels in India for almost 10 years.
Vishak, where are you going displaying Sri Lankan map on back on you?
All right. So I am taking a circumnavigation of Sri Lanka. This is primarily to raise funds for Karapitia Hospital, and we are planning to contribute the amount which we are going to receive through this, as well as we have other projects like the selling of wristbands, raffle tickets, and everything, which will contribute us approximately, say, we are aiming for around 5.5 to 6 million, which will go towards the cancer ward, which is the ward number 38 in the Karapitia Hospital.
Oh, Vishal, what made you think to do something like this?
This is in fact something which I am doing because I am planning to leave Sri Lanka by the month of January. So before going from Sri Lanka, I want to do something good for this nation because the people here are so great. I've always got tremendous support from everyone in my hotel, the management staff, as well as the neighbors who are surrounding in the hotel and my house. So I really feel grateful to be a part of this country all this while.
What made you think to do a job in Sri Lanka? Why don't you have any job in your own country?
So it is like I like exploring. I mean, it is not that I want to stick to one place. So in India itself, I have had 6 jobs within the same company, which is Marriott. Now an international destination of Sri Lanka, where tourism is something which is the country known for. I felt like exploring, and it is the same parent company. So I felt grateful to be here.
How much of distance you have come up to now?
So I started today morning, say around 4:30, and this is say around 70 kilometers I have cycled. I'm planning to go to Nigambo today. I will be staying at Nigambo. From there, tomorrow I'm planning to start to Chilo. From there, I'm going upwards, and then I'm going to take the entire round of the map. And this possibly would complete by the 14th of November.
What is your destination?
I am going to complete my ride at the cancer hospital in Karapitia.
What do you think of Sri Lanka and Sri Lankans?
I love this country. I love the people over here. Undoubtedly, I mean, I do not find any difference between India and Sri Lanka because everyone is so good, everyone is so inspirational and motivational. I am feeling grateful to be a part of this culture and country, and I am maybe possibly traveling all this way to learn more about this country so that I can take a lot of memories when I go back to India.
So why did you think to live in Sri Lanka? Live from Sri Lanka?
No, so maybe the next destination where I have, my plan was to stay in Sri Lanka for 2 years, and the 2 years are almost done. So I have learned a lot from Sri Lanka. So now I have to go somewhere to learn more things.
So how is the support you receive? Up to now?
Fabulous. I mean, it is mind blowing, I can say.
Okay, Vishal, thank you. We are blessing you too, and congratulations
Thank
to
you so
your
much.